Discover the world on foot. The magic of themed walking tours. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore what themed walking tours are all about. Whether you're a language learner, a travel enthusiast, or simply curious, this video will uncover the charm and educational value of themed walking tours. So, let's step right in and discover how these tours can offer more than just a walk in the park. First off, let's break down the phrase, themed walking tour. This concept combines three key elements. Themed, focused on a particular subject or idea. Walking, involving travel by foot, allowing for a slower pace and more intimate exploration. Tour, a guided journey through a particular area, often with educational or informational content. Put together, a themed walking tour is a guided exploration on foot, centered around a specific theme. This could range from history, architecture, and literature, to food, movies, and even ghost stories. It's an immersive way to learn and experience a place's culture, history, or other fascinating aspects, directly linked to the theme. Themed walking tours stand out because they provide a deep dive into specific aspects of a location's identity. Here's why they're so special. Interactive learning. Walking tours offer a hands-on learning experience. You're not just passively receiving information, you're actively engaging with the environment. Personal connection. They allow for personal stories and insights from the guide, making the experience more relatable and memorable. Accessibility. These tours cater to a wide range of interests and can be found in cities around the world, making them accessible to many. Health benefits. Beyond the educational value, there's the added benefit of physical activity involved in walking. To maximize your experience on a themed walking tour, consider the following tips. Choose a theme you love. Whether it's art, history, or food, picking a theme you're genuinely interested in will make the tour more enjoyable. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be walking a lot, so comfortable footwear is a must. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to engage with your guide. Asking questions can enrich your experience. Be mindful of the group. Tours are often conducted in groups, so being considerate of others' space and experience is important. Themed walking tours offer a unique and immersive way to explore and learn about different cultures, histories, and stories from around the globe. They blend education, physical activity, and fun, making them a perfect adventure for English language learners and travel enthusiasts alike. We hope this video inspires you to lace up your sneakers and explore the world one themed walking tour at a time. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see where your feet take you next.